Aurora is an easy-to-use blockchain platform for decentralized applications that allow developers and users to work with Ethereum, based on the NEAR protocol. Aurora includes a trustless rainbow bridge that allows two-way transfer of any information from Ethereum to NEAR. To use a rainbow bridge, we need a MetaMask wallet or any Ethereum wallet. Add wallets Aurora and NEAR. To do this, click on the Add Network button. Fill in the fields as it's shown on the screen. Connect your wallet and select the network you want to transfer from. Afterwards, choose where you want to transfer. Click on the Begin the Transfer button. Select a token and enter the number of coins you want to transfer to another network and click on the Continue button. Click on the Confirm Transfer button. Now you will need to confirm the transaction and the commission payment in the wallet. Click on the Confirm button. Click on the Go to My Transfers button. Excellent! Be waiting for a transfer to be processed. Let's go to app.auroraswap.net now. Important! For each transaction we need Ether in the account, since the commission is paid in this currency. Click on the Connect Wallet button. We need a MetaMask wallet and to transfer assets as it was done earlier through the bridge. Next, we create liquidity from two tokens. In our case, we take USDC and USDT stablecoins. Enter the number of tokens and click on the Supply button. Then click on the Confirm Supply button. Confirm the transaction in the wallet. Afterwards, click on the Close button and go to the Farms section. Select the farming we need and click on the Stake LP button. Enter the amount of tokens you want to farm and click on the Confirm button. Confirm the transaction in the wallet. Congratulations, your tokens have been successfully put on farming. The reward can be taken once a day or after some time. Your reward will not disappear.